Okay, so today we are going to do stencil art, okay? Stencil art that is called estarcido in Spanish. Okay, so that is my cat, and so there are two ways to do it. So for example, I'm going to do the Batman symbol, and I'm going to use the frame and the symbol, okay? So that you see the two ways in which you can do it. Okay, so here I have the colors. And here I have my toothbrush. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to put the toothbrush inside the paint. And now I'm going to pull it back like this, so that when I release, it goes like, okay? So
now I'm going to choose the color and I'm going to repeat. Moment, my colors are a bit strange. Okay, now I'm going to take some pink and yellow, sorry. I forgot the colors. Okay, I'm going to take some yellow. Do you see? Okay, some more blue. This is fun because you can even like mix colors and do half green, and you can make purple. If you mix blue and pink, you make purple. If you mix blue and yellow, you make pink. I hope you already know this, but it's really anyway. Okay, some more. Here we go. Okay. That's it. I have another one here, so wait, we can use it too. Okay? So, it's going to be a bit weird. Okay, some more pink.
okay, now we are going to see how it looks like. That is the Batman. This is the Batman symbol. Do you like it? It looks fine. And this is a dragonfly. Look, it looks beautiful. I love it. Look, these are all I've made. So here you will do the frame, and you will have the symbol in white. Here you will have the symbol in colors, and then the frame in white, and here the same. Okay, you will have the dragonfly in colors, and then this in white. I hope you liked it, and goodbye. See you in the next video. Goodbye.